Guys, kauban na naman si Vince Clifford.
So guys,
And the best tuna in town. Check this out. Lagi ko ano balay niya sa kuwan tulo ng kayaya.
oh, awa guys. Ano na
Just
guys?
kidding guys.
Ito guys.
The only thing that's kulang in Palo is Starbucks.
Ah, okay, okay. So now,
Baby, look what hole I am in. I am in. I try not to think too much about what might have been, might have been.
Boss, para takloban diri, takloban. Salamat.
Let you in.
sabi ni Suga.
I know you could be my remedy, remedy. How long will you keep trying? I know it's not, babe, it's not easy. I guess deep down inside.
So guys, padung ni Carlos sa St. Paul's and ito na guys, uwan kayo, di ba? Mga vlog. Nabasa ako camera guys, oh, see? Nabasa.
Waterproof mo ka na, waterproof.
Dili guys, balo ka ni LD na
Okay lawan. Pila man?
100,000.
Oh, 200 ako yan, tag 200.
Oh, pero this one is the exit. Dito tambalik na dito sa Baniwin.
Ano ka market, no?
Bingot so far, pinang kanindot sa liti ang kitan. Murag mall.
Mura na tag nagtour ani.
Lagi.
So this is the
Kita na.
So this is the mercado. Kung marita diri, na diri ang St. Mary's.
Asa ko
ana.
Hollywood ma'am, dili lang.
Left, right.
Ah. Wait lang. Pwede man siguro.
Si Ma'am Rudy Tagapalo.
Mura di ko tagapalo eh. Right.
I knew you could be.
Guys, we are here now in Palo Municipal Building.
And in a few minutes, we're about to meet Mayor Francis Ann Petilia.
Let's go.
Excited mo?
Let's go, let's go.
Excited na?
Let's go.
Be my remedy.
Yo, yo.
Palos, yo, yo. Guys, ito. Speak English. Guys, Alden guys from Now in PH. And we are here sa ilahang balay silang yaya.
Grabe, mapresent na yung kalaki.
Lindot siya balay guys. Balay si yaya guys. Grabe tanawag guys oh. Oh, relaxing kami guys.
Tumod ka rin yung usan yung baho.
Dato kay guys. Yaya pa na guys ha. Iya pa na yaya guys. Tanawag guys oh.
Lagi ko ano ni, balay niya sa kuwan tulo ng kayaya.
Oh, awa guys. Ano na
Just
guys?
kidding guys.
Ito guys, office ni Mayor guys, namin sa Palogon, no? And
Joke na to, Mayor ha?
ito, gusto masok ko si Mayor. Namin guys, nag-relax kami, kaya kami lakaw ganiha. Yan mo siyang giwat si Mayor, relax kami dali guys, tanawa guys, oh. Oh, indot kay guys, eh, mga big nasa kuwan guys, nasa Malacanang Palace. Awa guys, chill kayo kauban guys, oh. Na, mga balay ba?
Iyaya ko na ni Kon.
Pila
ko lang mo, pila ko.
Ah, tanawa.
Kaya naman, gisa naman yung balay ko eh. Pay sa ako helper. Helper? Amor, kaya kung sa ako helper?
Nindot yung helper no, kaya maka-zoom meeting lagi da.
Okay, kuha man ako. Mag-meeting mo ng mga helper sa ako.
Ah, mga staff.
Kauban ng mga businessman po ba? Sila po ko.
Nindot no? Ratio ka ayo.
Kumot pa gano'n, kumot.
Humot kayo, ito yung CR, di ba sa bus ng basa? So guys, we meet the mayor and we are here at the Gazebo Cafe with Alden kay magkape me and
Kami giveaway guys, nga ko, snake plant. Joke lang.
so guys, mag-coffee me and we're gonna be eating some delicious food here.
Yup.
Let's go! Hila ka po si Ika na pidi.
Oh,
Yeah,
spot sa kanan.
later guys, mag-coffee ta and some delicious food. Let's go! So guys, muna namin na ngayon sa The Gazebo Cafe and we are so very full and yeah.
Snacks pa yan eh.
Oh, snack po dito guys.
Appetizer pa rin siya.
Oh my God! Guys, next na mga tuon guys is mga tumi sa Dunmore and I don't know if mga on pa may. Mga on pa mo? Ha? Isla mag-rice.
Pilipos na.
Sug na kayo may. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Guys, number 1 guys, dito sa Palo. Saan eh? The Gazebo Cafe. So, let's go to the next destination. Let's go!
Guys, we're here in Danmar Tuna Suba, located in Gentapunan Highway.
If you want to catch a live acoustic band and the best tuna in town, check this out.
Mga guys, mga unang tayo
Mga unang
guys, gutom na rin. Let's go!
If I gave you my heart, you could tear it apart.
Hey guys, and naka-check in na mi. And that's our vlog. That's my vlog. Nakagamit ako sa ng phone guys. iPhone. And see you in the next video guys. I would like to thank Noin PH kaya nag-auban ko silang laag karong adlaw. Then napit tomorrow pero di ko kauban tomorrow guys kaya napay lakaw and I'm so sad about that. So bakit na kasunod and Lodi. Lodi out then. Yeah. So bye guys. Subscribe to Noin PH and also me. Bye.